Financial mistakes that every parent must avoid. When it comes to your children, the sky is the limit. A part of you wants to shower them with all the luxuries in the world, everything that you didn't get, or you want to add some more to it. But at what cost? Where do you draw the line? How much is too much and how little is too little? You don't want them to be growing up irresponsible. Also, you want to provide them with a safety net, but not so much that they become totally dependent on you for a survival also. So what to do as a parent? As a parent, it is your prime responsibility to secure your child's future by investing in the right savings and insurance. A child investment plan comes with numerous benefits like healthcare, education, and most importantly, long term financial security. If you are a new parent, you will be overwhelmed with advice. While some mistakes are inevitable, others are not. So, here's our list of financial mistakes to avoid as a parent. 1. Not preparing a budget and sticking to it. When you have kids, you are in it for a long haul. Although every parent wants to fulfill all the desires and needs of their children, unfortunately, money matters don't always allow that. Granted, there's nothing wrong with spending on fancy stuff for your children occasionally. You should remember that your child will grow, so will all the expenses. And then there are crisis situations that will come knocking on your door. You need to be ready for it. Here, some strategic planning is the key to a financially secure future. By creating a budget, you are better equipped to build a safety cushion for your family. After all, you cannot take risks when you have a baby depending on you. A family budget will not only help you plan your expenses wisely and monitor them, but it will also allow you to save all sorts of emergencies, including medical, financial, personal, and a sudden job loss. Number 2. Pushing education to the backseat. The challenges of running a home, taking care of your family, fulfilling your responsibilities as a parent are multifaceted and never ending. While parents get busy managing and providing for their needs of the family, they often forget to start planning for one of the most crucial things, that is, their children's higher education. The primary thought process behind saving for children's higher education is, right now they are too young, we will cross that bridge when we will get there. This attitude needs to change. The thing is, years will pass by in a blink of an eye, and before you know it, it will be time for your kids to go to college. And with ever increasing globalization, the world is their oyster. An education abroad versus a government university in India or even a private college for that matter can mean a difference of many years of saving. Are you prepared for that? The best gift you can give to your children is set up an education fund so that they can choose their desired career path without worrying about monetary constraints. While an education loan is an option, the interest rates are pretty steep, so best course of action is to invest in a child's investment plan that your children's healthcare and educational requirement. 3. Not encouraging the habit of saving money. While most of us don't realize it consciously, the roots of our money spending and saving habits go to our children. Growing up, it is natural for children to learn from their parents and imitate their habits. However, in a typical Indian household, the general propaganda is kids don't discuss money matter. Usually, parents teach their children not to worry about money from a very young age. This tradition or point of view can no longer hold true in today's world. If you don't teach your kids about money, how to wisely spend it, and how to save for future, they will face immense difficulties in the world later on. Financial literacy is the need of the hour. Without basic financial literacy, your kids will find it challenging to balance. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.